Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. Today I'm going to give you one buy and one sell and also an update about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you have seen my previous video where I gave an update as to how Bank Nifty is supposed to meet today's the gap filling level. If you have not seen it, I'm going to put it in the description link. Please see that video as well. You will enjoy it. Coming to Nifty, if you see, it casted a gap down. Okay, in the first candle itself, it closed the gap, then came down again and moved upwards for a very good amount of time. Again moved down, moved up, made a kind of a double top pattern and fell down again. All right, if you look at it, the Nifty's opening was here at this levels, okay, 16,250-ish levels, and it closed at 16,207, which is like 40 to 50 points down. And Bank Nifty, if you see, similar story when it comes to opening. It started with a small gap down, okay, after that it started going up, it filled this gap. And if you have seen the previous video, I have told you that Bank Nifty is going to go for a gap filling. My exit was done at around 10:45, 10:30, 10:45-ish. And then I have given you the video at around 11:30. After that also, you could clearly see this breakout. And if someone would have traded on this breakout, on my recommendation, they would definitely have made money. This is close to 350, 400 points. From around 398, which if you consider 400, we have gone till gap up. Gap up is around 690. So 290, 300 points is something that we are talking about here. And then it again made a kind of double top pattern similar to Nifty and fell down. But did it fall down till here, where the opening is? The answer is no. It casted a good closing. It did not close somewhere here like Nifty. So as I mentioned in my previous video, yesterday's video, Nifty is weak. Bank Nifty is comparatively strong. So that's exactly depicted here. If someone wants to, I clearly told, if you want to make a sell position, make it in Nifty, and if you want to make a buy position, make it in Bank Nifty. And that's exactly what happened. Coming to the stocks that I gave you yesterday, look at Arrow Pharma. Arrow Pharma was given for a buy, okay, somewhere here. Okay, Arrow Pharma went down and hit our stop loss, is what it clearly looks like. Our stop loss was somewhere here. It did hit our stop loss and went even further down. Am I still bullish on Arrow Pharma? The answer is yes, I am bullish. Already there was a breakout and a breakout retest. So I am still bullish on it. It can continue to go up. Anyways, but looking at the straight numbers, it has gone ahead and hit our stop loss. It has not gone to our target. Coming to the next stock, I had given you Hero MotoCorp for a sell. Okay, I was telling you this is the level that it should break. Early in the morning, it made a high, a kind of breakout. In my previous video, you might have seen, I told clearly that this can be a false breakout. I assume this as a false breakout is what I told you. And if someone has taken an entry here at this levels, he would have definitely made very good money. So say 15-16-ish, 25-15 to 24-75, which is good 40 points. And how much did we lose in Arrow Pharma? Say someone took a trade immediately as soon as I said, it was at 610, 611 levels. From there, our stop loss was 608, 609. That is 4 to 5 rupees. And when we gained around 40 rupees. Anyways, coming to the stocks for today. Let me first give you a brief of Adani Port. Adani Port, if you remember, I had given you for a sell. I gave you a story wherein it was retracing, coming down, retracing, coming down, retracing, again falling. Okay, and it has come to this level. So our target was around 800 levels. close to 800-ish levels, and it has come much below that, 768 levels. Now if you look at this particular chart on an hourly time frame, this is what you will see, friends. If I draw a Fibo here, okay, from the bottom to the top, okay, you see it is clearly at 61.8 levels. This is the last bearish levels that at which Adani Ports is currently trading at. So from here I do see it to be bullish. It can turn around and start going up. But will we take our trade immediately? No. We'll wait for a proper bullish signal here. So how would a bullish signal look here? You might see something like a double bottom, okay, or you will see something like a cup and saucer formation or a rounding bottom formation. Something like this is what you will see here, and then it will start going up. But if you want to pick this stock here, I think this is at its bottom now. This has bottomed out, and from here it has to go up is what I feel. This is just a review, not my recommendation on Adani Ports yet. Coming to my recommendation for tomorrow, I would say a buy on Dr. Reddy's. I'll give you the reason as well. That's because, see friends, Dr. Reddy's is forming a nice support levels here. Okay, when it stays here for a good amount of time, that's when it will start going upwards. I hope you're understanding the logic. So this is a very good support that it is creating here, and from here it can be a super bullish level for Dr. Reddy's. And if you look at it from a very long standpoint, see, this is the level where it has come after a long downfall. Will it continue to fall from here? The answer is no. This was the 52-week low for Dr. Reddy's. So I don't think it will fall from here. From here, I suppose, because of this formation in last 4-5 days, it should reverse and start going upwards, is what I feel. So this is my buy stock for tomorrow. And talking about the long position, if you create a long here, we would be almost at the bottom. So we can keep a very small stop loss somewhere here, some 50-60 points. And we can easily expect this target and this target, which is close to 100-200 points. Okay, we are making a good risk to reward ratio of 1:3, 1:4, 1:2. So I would not expect a very big target in one day. So 1:1.5 is a very good target for Dr. Reddy's in 1 or 2 days, friends. Coming to sell stock for today. Sell stock for today is Kotak Bank. So the reason, see, Kotak Bank has been in this particular formation. Okay, what formation is this? This is a rising wedge formation. This is called rising wedge formation. How does it look exactly? It will rise like this, fall, rise, fall, rise and fall. So ideally, if you draw a line like this, you will see a wedge kind of pattern. Okay, and it has already given the breakout here, just like this. So whenever there is a rising wedge, usually, or I can say 80 to 90% of the times, it has to fall. And so I am giving it as a short position. If you create a short here, your stop loss would be at the previous high, and your target will be not the bottom, but somewhere close to this area or this area where you see multiple supports. So this would also give you a 1:2 ratio on a sell side. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the recommendations that I have given, and also about Adani. Now it is going to start going up is what I feel. All right, I hope you made some money today, and keep trading, and do subscribe and like and comment if you want me to do analysis for any of the stocks as well. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day ahead.